Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is yet another Christmas make. It is this door with the snowman. This die is from Tim Holtz and C6. It's called Mr.Snowman. It's a die that I got recently. And the writing is also from another Tim Holtz die set. From the Santa greetings, and that die set, other than the Santa, has the alphabet plus the numbers, and I love the font, so I use it a lot. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this lovely little decoration, then keep on watching. Okay, so I started by painting the door in a bright red color. Once my door was dry, I decided to paint it with some watered down brown acrylic paint to give it an aged and vintage look. On the back of my door, I will be gluing down a Christmas patterned paper. I chose this one with the snowflakes. Now I cut the excess off once it was dry, and I'm aging the edges with Distress ink in Vintage Photo. And of course, I'm painting the door handle in gold. So the painting of my door is done, but of course this is Christmas and everything to me needs to look snowy and icy. So I'm dry brushing white acrylic paint on some of the areas of my door. And I'm also adding some on the door handle. Then I moved on to the bottom, and you'll see that on the bottom I will be adding some more of the paint, because in my mind it's the place where snow accumulates the most. So you'll see that my brushes are a bit more charged with paint compared to the top of the door. Okay, so now the white paint is dry and I will be adding the glitter. You saw in the beginning that I added it both on the top and on the bottom. Okay, so now I moved on to making the garland. I started out with a wooden ring, and I'm twisting around this pipe cleaner in gold, and then I will paint it green. Now I'm gluing down the snowman. Then the garland. And of course, on top of the garland, I added this big red bow. And finally, I'm adding the letters. I die cut them in a golden metallic cardstock, but to give them a little bit more sturdiness, I glued each letter on another set of letters that I had die cut in black cardstock. Okay, so I am done with my door. Of course, during the video, I did a voiceover because I wasn't talking, I was just making. And I'm giving you a little close up of the door. So you'll see that I did not show you how to assemble the die in this video, and that's because I already had assembled the snowman before. I did it when I got the die. I of course wanted to try it out, and so I already had cut all the pieces and assembled it, and the door came after. So unfortunately I didn't have footage of that. This is how it looks up close. I love this snow effect with the white glitter. I think it just adds such a beautiful effect to it. I've been using this white glitter for so many Christmas makes. And of course I put the little hanger. And on the back there is the paper. You saw me make all of this. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking, subscribing to my channel, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. See you in the next video. Bye!